It's a big relief for Dr. Nupur Talwar, one of the prime accused in the murder case of her daughter Aarushi, and the family domestic help Hemraj. The Supreme Court today paved the way for bail for Nupur Talwar. The Supreme Court has asked the CBI to wrap up the examination of material witnesses in the case in the next 10 days. The court has further said that the trial court could then grant bail to Dr. Nupur Talwar, subject to its satisfaction. The CBI had opposed bail for Dr. Nupur Talwar, arguing that she could influence key witnesses in the case who are yet to be examined. But the court has asked the investigating agency to wrap up the examination of the remaining 2 witnesses by the 25th of September. Dr. Nupur Talwar has been in Ghaziabad's Dasna jail since the 30th of April for nearly 5 months.
After marathon hearings here in the Supreme Court on Nupur Talwar's bail petition, the court has finally granted her bail, although with a condition of allowing for the CBI to cross-examine in the next 10 days. We have Nupur's lawyer, Rebecca John. Thank you so much for joining Headlines today. Firstly, what is the court's order?
The court has taken note of the fact that since the last date of hearing till today, 9 witnesses have been examined by the CBI, 1 has been dropped. So there remains 2 more witnesses who have to be examined. 1 witness the CBI itself doesn't wish to examine, so they made a statement today that they don't want to examine. 2 more witnesses to be examined. So to keep the spirit of the earlier order, where they had directed that 13 witnesses be examined, they have said that within the next week the CBI is directed to examine those 2 remaining witnesses, or any other witness they so desire. But whether they examine those witnesses or not, she will be released on bail on the 25th of September.
The CBI did once again try and make the point that they are an influential family. There is every possibility of influencing witnesses. The court doesn't seem to have found favor.
That's right, because if you have been following the evidence of the last few weeks, it has become very clear that if there's one agency which has been tutoring and tampering with evidence, it is the CBI and not the Talwar family. In fact, witness after witness have come to court and said that they have been tutored by the CBI. Right. So I don't think in the face of that kind of recording, the CBI had anything to stand on. And they made just one last-ditch effort to try and convince the court that it is important for Nupur to remain in custody while witnesses were being examined. That is not the jurisprudence of this country. The jurisprudence of this country is bail and not jail, and a person is considered innocent till proved guilty. Therefore, the Supreme Court upheld the letter and the spirit of the law, and I'm very grateful that that has happened.
Right. There you have it. Rebecca John, Nupur Talwar's lawyer, very clearly saying that the family itself, it is in the family's interest to try and come out of this clean. They claim continuously they have maintained innocence, and they do so now. Vishwakumar Kunal Shankar in New Delhi for Headlines Today.